Hey friends, welcome back. If you are trying to launch a game on PC and keep getting the error, an error occurred while launching this game, no licenses, then this video is for you. This issue is very common and can happen because of Steam sync problems, account authorization errors, or Windows security conflicts. Follow this guide step by step, and by the end of this video, your game should launch normally. Step 1. Restart Steam properly. First of all, completely close Steam. Make sure it is not running in the background. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager and all Steam-related processes. Once done, restart Steam as administrator. Right-click on Steam and choose Run as administrator. Step 2. Check Steam account authorization. Open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings, then open the Account tab. Here, make sure you are logged into the correct Steam account that owns the game. If Steam shows Account Authorization Required, sign out and sign back in. Step 3. Repair Steam Library folder. Now click on Steam Settings again. Open Storage. Select your game drive and click the 3 dots. Choose Repair Library. This step fixes broken license links and missing permissions. Step 4. Verify game files. Go to your Steam library. Right-click on the game that shows the license error. Click Properties Installed Files. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait until the process completes. Step 5. Sync Steam license files. Close Steam again. Now press Windows plus R type. Steam / flushconfig. Press Enter and confirm. This will refresh Steam's license cache without deleting games. Step 6. Disable Windows security temporarily. Open Windows security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Select Manage Settings. Temporarily turn Real-Time Protection OFF. Do not forget to turn it back on after testing the game. Step 7. Allow Steam through Firewall. Open Control Panel. Go to Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app through Firewall. Make sure Steam is allowed on both private and public networks. Step 8. Check offline mode issue. Make sure Steam is not in offline mode. Click Steam Change Account if needed. Restart Steam and ensure it connects online properly. Step 9. Restart your PC. Finally, restart your computer. Launch Steam again as administrator. Now try launching the game. The no licenses error should be fixed. That is all for this fix. If the game is now launching without the license error, make sure to like the video so others can find this solution easily. If you want more simple and real PC game fixes like this, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Off in the wind, I gotta make it. I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.